Hello all, it's Sharon. In today's video I'm back with an Ikea haul. So I got some really cool items in this haul, so I thought I'd come on here and share them with you all. Now this first item Nate got a while ago. This is a water bottle, and also you can buy these water bottle holders separately. And there's the tag from that. Like I said, Nate's had this for a while. So the water bottle holder is just got this horse print on it, kind of. And then this part here just loops over his handle bar on his bike perfectly. You could also use a carabiner and hook it to like a backpack, and the water bottle is really nice. So the water bottle itself are $4. I picked him up a new one, and that's the brand on the water bottle. So the bottle itself is $4, and then the holder I believe was $3 when we originally bought it. This time around last week when we went, they didn't have any more of the holders, but I'm hoping to get them a second one just in case this one gets dirty. I also picked him up 2 new cutlery sets. So it just comes with the fork, the spoon, and the knife. And he just needed some new ones. And this is who makes this one. And these were $5 a package. So yeah, Nate still prefers this type of cutlery, so I don't mind buying it for him. I picked up 4 of these. Now these are their dollar cutlery little drawer organizers. The reason I got these is I believe I got 4. Yes, so I want to organize right now. Like our pencil crayons are all in 2 separate baskets. So we have like the light colors, and then actually it's the reds to like yellows in one, and then the blues to like purples in another, and like with the browns and blacks mixed in. But I find Nate will dump all the pencil crayons out, and then all the other like markers and stuff are in like cups, and I'm reorganizing and packing things. So I thought to make things easier for him, I would separate like all the reds, all the oranges, all the yellows, and make them like in proper rows, so that way he doesn't have to dump the whole basket out, and then I could just stack these on top of each other. But yeah, I thought that would be a easier way to organize his art supplies. And that's who makes this, and there's the code if you wanted to look it up. Then I grabbed these were $1.50 each, and that's who makes these. And these are pot holders, but these are also perfect for our guinea pig to put under her water bottle. And she also loves like tossing these around. So these are all like the same. They're of course the green color, Nate likes them. They all have the broccoli on them. But yeah, like I said, I usually like keeping these under her water bottle or the water bowl. And then like she also loves playing with these and tossing them around. So yeah, for that price, $1.50, and this will kind of match the avocado hay bag that we have in there, kind of going for like a green theme, I guess. And this last item was $4, and that's who makes this. And these are just plastic stacking cups. The guinea pig also loves playing with these. She had an old set that Nate had from when he was a baby, and they were just getting, a little too used and chewed up. But she will absolutely knock this over. She'll flip the cups over, and she loves playing with these when she's in her exercise playpen. So I had to get her a new set, and for $4 it's not a bad price. Plus these are perfect for toddlers and stuff. So yeah, good finds at this last time at Ikea. So thanks a lot for watching this video, and I'll talk to you next one. Take care, and bye for now.